everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Theta on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to buy some Theta cryptocurrency on Binance, follow the steps. Open up a web browser, log into Binance by typing in www.binance.com, enter your credentials in the login page, and once you're logged in, this is how your Binance account will look like. On the top left hand side, you should see a trade button over here. If you mouse over to that, you should see an expanded menu. Go to the advanced option from the menu and give it a click. You'll be able to see this kind of a menu over here. This will open up your spot menu. Make sure that you are clicked on the buy button at the right hand corner. And now go to the BTC/USDT button over here. Once you mouse over to that, in the search box that pops up right beneath, type in Theta and click on the token that you are trying to buy. In my case, I'm gonna buy this Theta BTC, so click on that. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that the amount has been labeled as Theta over here. Type in the amount of Theta you are trying to buy, and your total amount of BTC that you need to pay will be displayed right here in the total text box. Finally, click on Buy Theta at the bottom of the screen, and that way you'll be able to buy Theta cryptocurrency on Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.